Welcome! I'm so glad that you're here. Today I am doing a fancy Torrin Paige hairstyle called the Shanghai Swirl. Torrin Paige is great at coming up with these really elaborate, gorgeous hairstyles. So I start with a Dutch lace braid on this side because I think, man, my hair went back to a center part. I side parted it like just a few minutes ago. So the Dutch lace means that you're going to take the sections underneath each other. And the lace part means that you'll be taking in hair only from the bottom side. So this one will add some hair here and kind of direct the braid back. Oops. Hi. You found Mommy's hair stuff. Yeah, I need those. Yeah.
Priya. Priya.
Okay.
There she is.
Okay, and I'll probably end it right about here. Switching up my hands.
Can you show me the dollhouse? Can you show me the dollhouse?
Okay, now we're going to leave this out, take the rest, and gather it into a fairly high ponytail. I'm using the Pro Hair Tie because it's easy to get it off without damaging your hair because it unclasps. And there is a link in the description box to all of the hair accessories that I use. Okay, now we are going to make 3 rope braids out of the ponytail. So divide into 3 equal-ish sections. And then take a section and divide it in 2. And start twisting one way and pass over the other way. So I am twisting to the right, passing over to the left. Okay, now we're going to lift these up and wrap this around the base of the ponytail. And finally, we take this Dutch lace braid and also wrap it around. I ran out of patience. I did not braid all the way to the end like I was supposed to. And now she does not put a pin in. She just holds it with a hair stick. So, well, she uses 2 hair sticks, but strangely, most of my hair sticks are not in pairs. So I only usually use 1. So I'm going to stick in a little bit of braid section there, get along my scalp, a little bit of out the braid side on here. And yeah, then if you wanted to do a second hair stick for decoration, you can. And that is a Shanghai Swirl. Let's see. I'll try to pull this out to make it more distinct. And maybe I should have pancaked this a little bit. That's a very in look. So on my dark hair, that accent doesn't show up very well, but this is fun. Be sure to check the link in the description box to sign up for my weekly roundup newsletter. You're gonna get a few goodies like an exclusive hairstyle tutorial, a free printable, and the opportunity to purchase my ebook, Hair Oils and How to Use Them, at half price. So again, link is in the description box, and I look forward to seeing you next time.